If you are a woman traveling to Iran, don't miss this video. If you are thinking or planning a trip to Iran, you've probably wondered, what should I wear? Do I have to wear a chador? Does clothing color matter? And what happens if I don't follow the dress code? The truth is, Iran has its own dress code, but it's much easier to adapt to than you might think. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know: what to wear, how to maintain your personal style, and how to feel comfortable while traveling in Iran. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sharare Ujan, where I'll take you on a journey to discover the real unfiltered Iran. Although Islamic dress codes are mandatory, the rules are not overly strict. However, as a former tour guide, I have seen many female travelers struggle with packing the right clothes for Iran. Many were unsure about what was appropriate or necessary to bring. I also noticed many women struggle to keep their scarves on, needing extra guidance. That's why I have put together this comprehensive guide covering all the details you need to know about dressing in Iran. But first, a quick note. I have already made another video named The Story of Hijab in Iran, where I'll explain the historical and social background of Iran's dress code. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend watching it for a deeper understanding. According to Iranian law, women must cover their hair. However, this rule has become much more flexible in recent years. You don't need to fully cover your hair. Covering the top part of your head is usually enough. Do not choose the slippery scarves. They are not easy to wear comfortably. You can use hair clips or headbands to keep your scarves in place. It's acceptable to wear your scarf loosely, allowing some hair to show. What to avoid? Wearing only a hat or hoodie instead of a scarf. This is uncommon and may attract attention. Not wearing any head covering, which could be problematic. Scarf or rusari. The scarf or rusari in Persian is one of the most common types of head covering in Iran. It's usually square-shaped and made from cotton, silk, or satin. Women wear scarves in both formal and casual settings, and they come in many different colors and patterns. How to wear it? Fold the square scarf into a triangle. Place the long edge of the triangle over your head so that both ends hang down equally on each side of your face. Bring the two sides under your chin and tie them under your chin for a more traditional look. You can also use a small pin or clip to secure it on top of your head or to keep it in place. Number 2, shawl. The shawl is a long rectangular head covering. It's usually lighter and more flexible in style than a scarf, making it very popular among younger women in Iran. Shawls are great for more casual, comfortable, and modern looks. How to wear it? Place the shawl over your head. Make sure both sides are hang down evenly. You can wrap one side around your neck and let it fall over your shoulder, or leave both sides hanging for a relaxed look, or use a pin under your chin to keep it in place. For a more formal style, you can wrap it around your neck tightly and adjust it neatly around your face. Some people wear a thin cap or headband underneath to help it stay in place. Maghne or maghna'e is a more formal type of head covering, often worn in schools, universities, offices, and religious places. It covers the head, neck, and shoulders, and is usually made from dark colored fabric like black cotton or crepe. How to wear it? Take the ready-made مغنعه and hold the front part over your forehead. Pull it down over your head so that it covers your hair, neck, and shoulders. Adjust the front so it sits smoothly on your forehead. Acceptable choices: a manto, loose-fitting coat, or long shirt that covers the hips at a minimum. Long tunics that do not highlight body shape. Jackets or long coats in winter. Avoid sleeveless tops, crop tops, and tight-fitting shirts. Deep V-neck or very revealing tops. Acceptable choices: jeans, loose-fitting trousers, or long leggings. Long skirts that reach the ankles. Avoid shorts, and this even applies to men as well, mini skirts, or extremely tight pants. Manto plus jeans or pants. Long tunic plus long skirt or pants. Chador or traditional cloak occasionally. Burqa is not common in most parts of Iran, mostly seen in the south of Iran, which is influenced by Arab culture. Iran has many historical sites, so you'll be walking a lot. Comfortable shoes are the key. Sneakers, flats, or comfortable walking shoes. Sandals for summer are accepted choices. Avoid high heels for walking in streets or crowded bazaars. Definitely are not comfy. In mosques and sacred sites like holy shrines, all women must wear a chador. But don't worry, you don't have to bring it with you. They are provided for free at the entrances. Absolutely yes. There are no restrictions on clothing color. Many Iranian women love wearing vibrant and colorful outfits. Yes, clothing styles differ depending on the city. In big cities like Tehran, Isfahan, Shiraz, and Kish, the dress code is more relaxed and flexible. In smaller towns and rural areas, it's best to dress more conservatively to avoid unwanted attention. Hope you have found the answer to all your questions. If not, ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Bye.